Hello there. So today we are going to look at service industry sample implementation on Odoo ERP. So this particular case study of service industry is of a specific company that provides service and maintenance for HVAC system. The full form of HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. So these are basically systems that get installed onto the houses in order to maintain proper temperature so that you can survive easily on a hot summer day or chilling cool winter. So let's see how we have implemented the ERP for this service and maintenance industry. So coming to the flow diagram, just like any other business or service industry, we are starting with help desk. So we have this as the first step. So whenever there is a client query coming from phone or email, the customer will end to the help desk, and after that the technician or the CCR person that is there would start creating jobs for that. And once the job is created, the job will get scheduled. Once the job is scheduled, the inventory of a truck would be filled with the required tools, and after that technician would visit to the customer, diagnose the problem, and based on the problem will provide the solution and will create a sale order. Let's suppose while creating the sale order, customer is interested to have a subscription that will help him or her get things onto discount, then that could be added. And after that, customer will do the payment, and after the payment the job will be completed and they will receive a customer summary report, and that would in turns add up to the accounting reports. Let's suppose while doing the diagnostic, we found that there is a component replacement that is required. If that component already exists in the truck, we'll use the truck stock. But let's suppose this is one of the major component, then in this case we will be creating a purchase order, and based on this purchase order, once the material is ready at the vendor location, we can pick up it from there and then can move it to our own inventory, and based on that we can reschedule a new job for the second round of fixing. So then we can load this again on the truck, and this could be moved forward in the same process. So here we have option, either technician can pick it from the purchase location or maybe the vendor can send it to our own inventory. So this is a very basic overview of this, and now we'll get to look into the actual implementation on the ERP flow.
I have logged in with the CCR of the company. There are three main roles, that is CCR, that is customer care representative, technician, and admin. Okay, and let me show you that how that run their business. There are three companies. Okay, and each companies have their zones assigned, and each zones have their locations. And let me show you that zip list. As you can see that company B has few of the zip codes and the zone assigned. Start, like suppose CCR got an opportunity or any kind of lead that customer wants an service on the HVAC systems, on the AC ventilation or something like this. So first of all, it's a CCR responsibility to create a ticket for this first of all. Okay, then go further. Okay, so let me just go to the contacts. I created a location. So here we have a location. So in out of the Odoo, that they deal with the location, not with the contact. So the record type is location. Okay, we have contact, membership, attached list, system list, sales, purchase, and the safeguard for this type payment. Okay, in this contact. So let me just go and just click on the create ticket. It will directly go to the face to the particular form. So the form is open, and we have a few of the help desk team, and each and every help desk team has their own purpose. That the job type will of replacement, repair, service. So suppose there is a job type of service, so help desk team related to the service will look into this ticket. Okay, let me just save this, and now scheduling a job, create and view job. It directly opens the job section. So as you can see, there is a job number content in this. We have department as a service. Let me edit this and scheduling a job for this particular ticket. So job type will take as a diagnostic. This is a job type that is type of diagnostic, and we have on every job we have a length that is 1 hour, 2 hours, something like this. Okay, so let me just find the technician first. So we have created a system that will find the availability for the technician. Okay, let me just directly hit in the find appointment. We will have a few of the list to the test appointments. Okay, we'll select this. So once we find the availability of the technician, we can schedule the job for this. All the timesheet and all the things will like competing right over there when the technician going to start their job. Also we also have a like technician, different technician view. Let me just complete this. See, the job was successfully scheduled. Okay, let me just logged in with the technician so that I can show you that how the technician go and like start the job and complete the job, the whole procedure. So I've logged in with the technician, and we have a tag view for this. Let me just open this. We will have a ticket for this. So as you can see, there is a test location. Let me click on this. So once you open the ticket, it will like show the dispatch, and so once you dispatch, that means the job has the technician has started drive. Okay, I have a description, job notes, location, st, HVAC system, what we have attached over there. Okay, so let me just dispatch this. So once he dispatched like reached to the destination, he will click on the arrive. That particular technician has arrived on the location. Now after arrived, he started working on that particular task. We have job notification SMS that we also have materials. Okay, so materials something like this, a truck. Okay, so like few of the materials added over there, like so you can just add the quantity right from here. And also each technicians has already defined a amount for per hour working, so like 65 or $70 per hour. Okay, once he finalized this job, he will get the section of job notes, so he can add the job notes right from here. Also go for 7x. I'm skipping it right now, so I don't want to add any of the job notes. Let me just save it next. Now after that we have follow-up needed. So if you want any follow-up needed for this job, so you can just click on this and add the follow-up needed section. I'm just saving. And here we have a few of the system that he has worked on. After system that you have that your current invoice total is $74, and you can also go for sale order, and you can add a few items if you want. Okay, and we have to just like we can also add some materials if you want. Now we can just generate invoice and next, so that we can have a section for the payment. As you can see that the invoice and payment status is not paid, we have an invoice of that, so we can directly go and just register a payment. We also have created a system that is take a payment from the Stripe. Okay, so but we are right now going to the invoice section. So I'm registering a payment, pay a payment, the status will change and in payment. Okay, as you can see that the invoice is paid, so it changes to amount to be paid 0, and we can just go and save it next. So once I click on the save it next, we have a section of job complete. Okay, so we can just directly click on the job complete, and the job will be completed. Okay, and all the timesheet regarding this I'll show you once it's I will click on the job complete. So the job, after the job complete, we also have a view. Okay, so you can see the job description, all the details. Okay, sale orders and everything is connected. Also we have actions, right, timesheet of the technician, that how much time he spent on the driving, on the working, and the finalization. Okay, according to this time he get the money, like on the per hour he gets the like payment for this. Okay, we also have estimate orders, invoices, also extend from this section. All right, thank you for watching.